To your right is my friend Buff. He's supposed to start the show, but it looks like he's sleeping on the job. On the count of 3, can we all say, wake up, Buff? 1, 2, 3. Wake up, Buff!
Hey, Henry, what's holding you up? Let's get on with the show.
Now, Buff, be patient.
Yeah, we ain't going anywhere anyhow. We're kind of hung up here.
Give me a little intro there, Gomer. Howdy, folks. Welcome to the one and only original Country Bear Jamboree, featuring a bit of Americana, our musical heritage of the past. And right now, I give you a sorted assortment of executioners of music and song, the 5 Bear Runs. Hit it, boys! The Bear Bears will play now in the good old key of G. Zeke and Zeb and Ted and Fred and Bear named Tennessee. Zeke's twanging on the banjo and a tapping with his feet, a banging on the dish pan with a real old country beat. Zeb the song on the fiddle with a crooked hickory bowl. When the spirit moves that groove, he can make that fiddle go. Brother Ted is on the corn jug. Now I mean that bear can blow. He also plays the washboard with the handle of the hoe. And Big Fred's playing mouth harp. He plays it kind of sad. He never took a lesson. He just picked it up from Dad. And little old Tennessee Bear is a featured on the thing. Sounds just like a guitar, but it's only got one string. So clap your hands and stomp your feet. Try to keep right with it. What your thing the bear man's got is real old country, real old.
One night I left the wife at home, I went out with the boys. I was acting like a drunk one and making a lot of noise. Local girl called my hand, I said I can't, I'm a married man. She said she ain't gonna steal, you better not growl. Don't do with the go, if you can't bite, don't growl. If you can't bite, don't growl.
And now, a heart-rendering ditty by our old growler of song, Lips McGraw. Sing it, man.
I got a woman, she's got me. Whatever we do, we both agree. She ain't pretty, but I ain't too. The things we like are the things we do. A woman ain't pretty, but she don't swear none. She's kinda heavy, don't weigh a ton. She's my woman through and through. I love her only 'cause the heart is true.
Mama don't whoop little Buford. Mama don't pound on his head. Mama don't whoop little Buford. I think you should shoot him instead.
Bang! Yes, folks, we only have high-class stuff on this show. And now, here's a special treat out of Tampa. Our own Trixie.
Tears will be the chaser for your wine. After you leave this love of mine, bright lights and taverns you'll spend your time, and tears will be the chaser for your wine.
How long is forever? How soon is now or never? How long will these heartaches linger on? And how long will my baby be gone?
Now, here they come. Those little sunbonnets from the Sunshine State. Funny, Bubbles, and Beulah.
Every time I meet a guy who gets me shook, all I ever get from him's a dirty look. It's the same way everywhere I've found. All the guys that turn me on turn me down. All the guys that turn me on turn me down. Nothing works for me that I've found. It's the same way everywhere I see. Nothing ever seems to work for me. Bum, bum.
My. Yeah, here she is, that little black, dedicated and dimpled daughter of the Dakotas. Last of the big time swinging Teddy Barrow.
Well, there he goes. He hardly knows the heart he's breaking. I talked to him, but I don't think he understood. Oh, just forget about the plans that we were making. Heart, we did all that we could. Y'all come up and see sometime. You hear?
Yeah, as soon as I find a ladder, I'll be right up. Mm-hmm.
There was blood on the sand and blood all around and a great big pond of blood on the ground.
Born on the mountaintop of Tennessee, greenest state in the land of the free. Raised in the woods of the every tree, tamed him apart, he was only 3. Davy Crockett, king of the Bow Frontier. Off of the books he's marching along, making up yarns and singing a song. It's Well, as you can see, we're just one big happy family. Well, folks, this concludes our show. So thanks for bearing with us to the Bear End. What do you say, Sammy?
I say, y'all come back. You hear?
Thanks for joining us, everyone. Be sure to gather up all your bear necessities next to the rest.
You'll be coming back again. When you come in to see us now, babe. We've done our very best to please with just the bare necessities. We hope that you'll be coming back again. Come again.
Come again anytime.
The welcome mat is always out and seeing you is fine.